Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is how to access videos on Teams. So let's say we're looking for those math videos for the Cumulative Test 13A review notes. I'm going to click on Math Apps, and then I'm going to click on Files. And you'll see this file that says Recordings. This is where you would, if you're absent, you can always go back and watch a class. You're always welcome to watch it at 2 times the speed or forward or backward, what have you. What you'll see is it starts in August. So I'm going to click Modified and do Newer to Older. So this was Monday's class. We only had like 15 minutes of a class on Monday due to the snow. But you can see that it goes, this is Friday, this is Thursday, etc. It kind of goes backwards from there. So you could watch these until you see all of what you need for that Cumulative Test 13A review. So you just kind of click on it. Let's click on Mondays. Should open another little tabby tab. And there we are, right there. So you can click it and you can watch it there. I'm not sure what that's doing over there. Yay, got it. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.